Hi everyone, I'm Angela Ramsey from the Ingles I Know. Substitutions are huge in our home, and today I'm excited to share a recipe that we love, and I know you will too. It's my cauliflower fried rice. First, what we're going to do here is add a bit of coconut oil to the pan. I used an unrefined coconut oil because we don't mind the coconut taste in our family, but if you don't want the coconut taste, you can always use a refined coconut oil. So I added about 1/4 of a cup of coconut oil to this pan, and I've been letting these carrots saute here for about 20 minutes. The carrots will take a little while, so go ahead and get that started right away. And I'm gonna move over here to the broccolini. For those of you not familiar with the term broccolini, it looks a lot like our common broccoli, but the only difference here is that the broccolini is going to have a bit milder of a taste. The broccolini is simply a hybrid between a Chinese broccoli and our regular broccoli that we all know and love. This broccolini is really tender, so it doesn't take too long to get this going. You want to add the broccolini in with your garlic. I use about 6 cloves of garlic. Mince it up real fine here, and we're just going to throw it in the pan. We're going to stir that up real nice, let that coconut oil get coated on here. Now, I usually cover this because it steams it quite a bit and kind of speeds up the process. And let it stay on there for about 10 to 15 minutes. So that's what we're going to do right now, and we'll come back. All right, so we're back here in this broccolini, I should say, and carrots and garlic have been sauteing to a nice tenderness the last 5 or 10 minutes. So next we're gonna go ahead and add in some chicken. I go ahead and boil my chicken the night before. So this is a nice step whether you use a rotisserie chicken or boiled chicken the night before, or if you have time and you wanna go ahead and just cook the chicken in the pan before you add the veggies, you can do that as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this chicken in here. It's already been boiled and trimmed and chopped up. And I want that coconut oil to really get coated on that chicken. So here we go, we have the chicken kind of coated with the coconut oil now. And I'm gonna go ahead and add in my riced cauliflowers. Again, another shortcut. Many times I've gotten the fresh cauliflower and I pulse it in my food processor to make this nice riced cauliflower. If I don't have time for that, now Ingles has a great frozen riced cauliflower that you can get, which is what I'm using today. And you can just pour it right into the saute pan. It works beautifully. Really the same way, just depending on the amount of time you have and how you want to cook it. So I'm going to add that riced cauliflower in here, stir that up a bit. And now this is a substitute that we use in our family. A lot of times in Asian dishes, they're used to that soy sauce. In our family, we have a soy allergy, so we found this wonderful alternative and substitute, coconut aminos. It's going to taste a bit sweeter than your traditional soy sauce, but I find that it pairs really well with the sweetness of the coconut oil. And I'm going to let that saute another 5 to 10 minutes, and we'll come back. Okay, so we've stirred in those coconut aminos and allowed that cauliflower, chicken, all the veggies to get nice and hot and all that incorporated. I'm going to sprinkle some pink sea salt here on the top, stir that up really well, and then let's serve it up in this bowl right here. Have fun and get creative with it. I think a nice Roma tomato sometimes sliced and cooked in there tastes good. Maybe even some pineapple or some cashews. We like to do some sliced cucumber for garnish. And that gives it that fresh taste I was talking about. And voila. Thanks so much for joining me here at the Ingles table. Remember, the site is loaded with great tips, tricks, and recipes, so go explore. I'll see you next time here at the Ingles table or at the Ingles I Know. Thanks for stopping by.